Peace, love, and darkness. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is El Deity. I am a transformational coach, the transformational coach, and I'm here to help you master your mind and master your reality. Now, this is something that I've learned along my journey, right? We have the answers that we seek within. Everything that we need is within. But intelligence copies intelligence. The law of coagulation states that in order for things to bond, there must be a continuation of that energy held. In order for things to stay sustained in a bonding, there must be a sustained of action and resources. So when a baby is born, it's forming its bond of its personality, of who it will become, all through the awareness of its environment, through watching other people, knowing if they are safe or not. All these things are basically roadmaps back to self. When we can be in environments that are supportive and conducive to the higher emotional body that we hold, this unlocks within us the codes, because this is epigenetics. This is the release of different proteins, different DNA structures, different genes. Different things are being released when our environment is conducive, when our environment is vibrating high, because your brain is the generator. So that's what we're doing since we come out of the womb. Since we come out of the womb, we are scanning to see, am I safe? Can I trust? We are watching what other people do. The more we grow, now we want to hold our own bottle, walking, running. There is paths that lead us back to ourselves, and there are many roads to take. But they ultimately will lead us back to ourselves. The more we can trust our own internal guidance system, not go right not because someone told us to go right, but because someone explained to us maybe their reasoning for going right. And just like we train AI, intelligence copies intelligence. The baby might see you put your right foot first, but they might take and put their left foot first. So when someone tells us, this is the way I got to level 28, we all start at level 1. There's no possible way that a person can jump from level 1 to level 100. Everyone starts somewhere at the beginning. So since everyone starts at the beginning, the people who we have a connection to, who we see that they're on this level, we can now say, whatever they did, we're going to do it our way. If that means for us to do something similar, but we go left, we're still going to end up to our ultimate sense of self. If we feel compelled, if we feel like that's alignment for us to do it similar to how they have done it, it's still going to be with our own walk, our own twist. Some may drive, some may swim. So the point of this video was to just remind you that there is a structure, there is a foundation, there is a guidance system to you ultimately getting to you. You have all of the answers, and the confidence, your confidence into connecting with self comes through completion. So completion is like power packs. Power packs you get from the energy you consume, because you are a business. So every connection that you have is an energetic exchange. Every connection that you have is a PowerPoint reflecting something back to you, opening something within you, unlocking something within you, because the environment brings out the different genes and the different codes within your DNA. So that means if your environment is also around a person's energetic field that is vibrating high, their field alone is going to unlock genes and unlock codes within you. Check out below if you are ready to cut out people pleasing and the things that are not serving you, those belief systems, and thrive in your own confidence. My Cut and Thrive starter kit is the right way for you to go. Only $22 Check the link below so you can download that. Y'all know I tell y'all stay rich, wet, and what? Dangerous. And I will see y'all soon. Deuces.
Had to hop over fences and climb up the ladder to get what I want, bitch, I'm just getting better. They tried to tell me I would never be shit. Look at me now, body built like a brick. Sleep all you want, but I'm chasing my dreams. Everything I do is fuck the supreme. Came from the hood, ain't shit sweet about me.